Back with the finger independence, fingering variations, and I'm going to look at this line right now, and I'll start on the 6th string again, but on the 2nd fret. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through all 6 permutations on different strings. I'm going to do it slowly, and then I'll post it as an exercise. Now, again, this is creating the brain patterns, the neural pathways, to slightly mix it up, and hopefully your fingers will become nimble and flexible enough that they will obey what signals the brain is telling you. And these all start on 2. And it's a variation on the very first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, that I've started from the very beginning of class in August as a warm-up. So this is going to be all of these 6, starting with the 2nd fret. And here we go, at this slow tempo. Well, actually, let me slow it down a little bit more. And 1, 2, starting on the 6th string. All right. Once again, that seems so quick. One more time. 1, 2, same 6. I didn't skip the string fast enough, but I finished it on the right frets. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, have fun with that, and